Hello, it's Monica, and I decided to take part in Mintay Papers challenge. Every week is a different theme. Week number 1 is Glamour. I'm pretty behind, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to use those beautiful images from Lavender Dream Elements from Mintay Papers. As you can see, the images scream glamour straight away. So I decided to use them for week number 1 challenge. All the information is in the description down below about Mintay Papers and the link to the Facebook group. So here is the beautiful decorative center stepper cutting die set from Tattered Lace, and I decided to use this one today to create my card. If you have any stepper card dies, these would be perfect. However, I've got plenty of stepper cards on my channel where you don't really need any cutting dies. So first I've got the white base, and then I decided to use some gold because when I think about glamour, gold is the first color that comes to my mind. So we're going to have the centerpiece and then the sides as well, using that gold card as well. What are the colors when you think about glamour? Please let me know in the comments down below. So these elements are ready. Then I decided to use those beautiful nesting dies, and that will go inside so I can write a message. And this one will be gold as well to create a nice border. And then I'm going to use white one inside. But before I do it, I also decided to use embossing folder from my stash. This one is Tattered Lace as well. You've probably seen it many times on my channel. It is my favorite. So I'm going to use it to decorate the front of the card. So here is another element I'm going to die cut using white card. Also the side panels, and I'm going to emboss them. Super quick, simple and very effective. And I think that really gives you that luxury elements here. If you agree with me, please let me know. Do you have an embossing folder that you use over and over and you think it is very elegant? I'm really curious, so please let me know in the comments down below. Now it is time for the white element so I can write the message inside, and it will be time to adhere everything on the stepper card. As I told you, on my channel I've got plenty of videos how to create stepper cards without any cutting dies, and they are actually in the top right corner throughout this video, so you can feel inspired. I'm going to use my liquid glue because I do have time to maneuver the elements, and I'm going to assemble all the elements at the front of the card and also inside, so I do have the space to write the message. Have you ever heard about Mintay Papers? If you have, please let me know. How did you know about it? I got those papers last year during one of the craft shows in Poland, and I decided to start this challenge. I know I'm pretty behind because currently it is week 27, but do not worry. I'm going to create all those videos for you. They will be very short. More or less 10 minutes. This one, it is 6 minutes and 40 seconds, so not that bad. And I really hope you will feel inspired to actually take part in this challenge, because every single week is a different theme. And stay tuned, because in a couple of days I'm going to have another week theme for you. So as you can see, now I'm going to assemble the elements inside to write the message. And then it will be time to decorate the front of the card. And when you saw that Lavender Dream Elements, these were so beautiful. And I really wanted to use as many as I can, but I also wanted to keep it as clear and elegant at the same time. So I decided to use only 4 elements, I think, and that really is beautiful. What do you think about those elements? Do you like them? I really hope you do. So now, as you can see, my card base is ready, really beautifully decorated, and it is time to add the elements. I also added some double-sided foam adhesive on the back to give it a little bit more dimension. And it's always a good idea to peel off the backing and then add a few drops of liquid glue. In the description down below, I left the link to Mintay Papers Facebook group where you can share your beautiful makes there as well. And there is also a hashtag and all the information is in the description down below. So go and have a look. So this card is super simple, very quick and very effective. I think when you mix and match gold and white together with a little bit of embossing and then lavender color, this is pure elegance. Have you ever created any beautiful projects with lavender elements? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now I've got the sentiment also from Mintay Papers. I'm going to use the same gold card, so all the elements match on my project. And it is time to add a little bit of dimension using double-sided foam adhesive, add few drops of liquid glue and assemble it on a card. And at this point I thought something is missing. When I think about Glamour, I think about gold and pearls. So here they are. I couldn't resist. I had to add them in the corners here. And the card is complete. Super quick, simple, and there is plenty of space to write your message inside. Please let me know, what do you think about this quick card? I'm really curious. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because there are more videos coming your way very soon, especially in August when I'm going to have amazing collaboration. Happy crafting! Bye for now!